Hello friends, my name is Saeed Wasif Simnani from SW Tech, and today we are going to build a PC which is around 20,000 rupees. We are going to build actually the gaming PC by which you can play all the games which you want to play on your PC. But if you have the low budget and you are not you have sufficient money to buy a PC, then you are in a right place. So let's start with the motherboard. I have chosen the Z1 G4 motherboard, and this is best for gaming. It's a DDR3 based motherboard, so you can play games easily. And this motherboard supports the chip. You can see the processor up to core to core and core to core processors. And as you know, that is the socket 7575, and it supports only the core to core and dual core to duo. This is something like that processor. This motherboard supports up to 8 GB RAM, and this has the two slots of RAM by which you can use. In one you can use the 4 GB RAM, and in another you can also use the 4 GB RAM. Also, it comes with the graphics card slot, which can support up to the 2 GB RAM, 2 GB video memory. Sorry, and this also comes with the two PCI USB slots by which you can use the and additional PCI USB slots for optional USBs. Also, it comes with the three ATA slots by which you can use 3 hard disks in your PC. As I told you, this motherboard supports up to the core-to-core processor. Now let's switch to the core processor. I have chosen the Intel core-to-core processor, which has the 8 MB cache and has speed up to 240 GHz and has a base speed of 1066 MHz. This processor does not have the Intel hyper-threading, so you cannot double your speed. You have a limited speed here. This processor is the stable for your motherboard, because this is a huge processor having 4 cores, and this is sufficient for your gaming. Now we are also going to switch to the RAM. I have chosen the Samsung. Model number is M3780P5273DHO C-C9H9, which has the capacity of 4 GB, and it's a DDR3 based. It's a DDR3, so it has a speed up to the 1333 MHz, and this supports up to voltage 1.4 volts. This is the best RAM, I think so, because it can support it. You cannot use another RAM because this is a stable RAM for your PC, and this is the best RAM. I'm advise you to choose 2 slots of this RAM for better performance for gaming. Okay, now we're going to switch to the hard disk. Now let's switch to the hard disk. Here I have choose the Western Digital Blue Desktop 1 TB internal hard disk. Well, this is a huge, and everyone you choose this hard disk, and I saw it has up to the 7200 RPM, which is best for performance, and it has a huge storage of 1 TB. Now this only priced of the 3629, so this little amount for you are paying, and this is the best for gaming and for storage and for your PC. Now let's choose the fan. I have chosen the Deep Cool Gamma Archer, which has the 120 mm fan, and this is the best for overclocking your PC for your CPU, and this is the best, I think so. And this only priced at 525, which can cool down your CPU, and which it has a good design. That's why I chose this, and it has the 120 mm fan. And now let's switch to the power supply. Here I have chose the Artist VIP 500 Gold, which is 500 watt SMPS. Its cost of 200 rupees. That's why you can choose the Corsair because it priced only of 2000. That's why I choose this Artist VIP 5 Gold. Now let's switch to the cabinet. Here I have choose the BBC Heavy Gaming Cabinet. It's cool, and it's a brand new cabinet having cool design, and it's only priced of 1759, and this is a brand new cabinet for your for your motherboard. Now let's choose the graphics card, and I have chosen here the Gigabyte GeForce GB M7102, which is 2 GB, and have a gigabyte. It's best for gaming, and it's a 710. It's a GeForce 710, which is best for gaming, and it has a capacity up to 2 GB. And you need the SMPS of 300 watt. That's why I choose the 500 watt SMPS. Also, this this graphics cards comes with the one VGA port and also SD port, by which you can use the both the ports. And this graphics card is suitable for your motherboard as it's DDR. You can also use the DDR5, but it's best for your processor. Thank you very much friends for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and keep watching our videos.